Thank you so much. Please, everyone have a seat. Well, it is my incredible pleasure and honor to welcome this incredibly talented group of men and women in the White House. And I want to congratulate them on earning America's highest honor for invention and discovery, the National Medals of Science and the National Medals of Technology and Innovation.
غلامعلی پیمان. 2011 National Medal of Technology and Innovation to غلامعلی پیمان, University of Arizona College of Medicine and Arizona Retinal Specialist, for invention of the LASIK surgical technique and for developing the field of intraocular drug administration and expanding the field of retinal surgery.